Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add language translation for custom labels in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful if you're working with a multilingual team or serving customers in different regions, as it allows you to display custom text in multiple languages based on user preferences. To get started, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of your Salesforce interface, and from the drop-down menu, select Setup. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can manage all your Salesforce settings and customizations. Once you're in Setup, use the Quick Find box on the left side of the screen. Type in Translation Language Settings and select it from the results. This section is where you'll enable and manage all the languages that your Salesforce organization will support for translations. On the Translation Language Settings page, you'll need to click the Enable button. This activates the translation feature for your entire organization, allowing you to start adding multiple language options for your custom labels and other translatable content. Next, click the Add button to add a new language to your organization. A dialog box will appear where you can select the language you want to enable. For example, if you're adding Spanish, select it from the drop-down, then make sure to check the Active checkbox to enable this language for use. You'll also want to add a translator, which is a user who will be responsible for managing translations in this language. Once you've filled in these details, click Save. Now it's time to work with your custom labels. Go back to the Quick Find box and type in Custom Labels, then select Custom Labels from the results. This is where you'll create or manage the text strings that need to be translated. If you're creating a new custom label, click the New Custom Label button. Enter a name for your label and the default value in your organization's primary language, then click Save. If you already have a custom label you want to translate, simply locate it in the list and click on it to open the detail page. On the Custom Label detail page, scroll down until you see the Translations Related list. This section displays all the language translations that have been added for this particular label. Click the New button within this related list to add a translation. A new page will appear where you can select the language you want to translate into from the drop-down menu. In the Translation text field, enter the translated version of your custom label in the selected language. Once you've entered the translation, click Save to apply it. And that's it. Your custom label now has a translation that will automatically display for users who have their Salesforce language settings configured to the language you just added. This ensures a seamless multilingual experience across your organization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.